come back with more light. So, where were we? We did inversion of control and dependency injection, right? So, where we added all this. This project where class vehicle depends on Toyota, then this interface it implements, then this is okay. We saw setter injection, constructor injection, and IOC dependency and configuration using XML and normal configuration. Yeah, and Spring we do in a different way. I guess we just use spring.run and get beans. It automatically configures. We don't have to use XML. Fine, let's see. I guess that comes here. Part. Next, Bean Factory versus application context. We saw Bean Factory was basic thing, application context, which extends and for internationalization and event propagation. Oh, I remember event propagation is DOM structure, how it has to propagate. I remember. Spring offers two container abstractions. These are non-concrete classes. And we represent two different levels of container capability. Below is the hierarchy of Bean Factory 1 and application context. So Bean Factory, XML Bean Factory, application context. Okay. XML Bean Factory implements the Bean Factory. Application context extends the Bean Factory. Then this application context implements class path. This I have used for normal XML Spring framework configuration. Then file system, then annotation config. Oh, annotation config we saw. Fine. Bean Factory is the root interface. Okay, application context extends and this implements. It's duplicated. Okay, class bean path, file system path. Okay, which is duplicated. This one. Then this explains why Spring talk about Bean Factory versus complement, not specific classes. Bean Factory defined in our specific Bean Factory is the basic IOC container in Spring. It provides core functionalities such as bean creation and dependency injections. Beans are created only when requested. This behavior is known as lazy initialization. Oh, when requested only it is created. Suitable for lightweight and memory constrained applications. Now class path resource, new class path resource, beans.xml and XML factory, new XML factory resource. This is duplicated and removed from Spring. Okay, this example is shown in O2. Okay, only for lazy initialization. Bean Factory itself is not duplicated, but it's really used directly in modalities. If it's really used, we also have to not worry. In real world application context is preferred. Fine, let's go on. Using Bean Factory initialization, welcome this. We created a welcome bean with this attribute and method as set name. Okay, welcome message. Okay, the init is welcome bean initialized, destroy, welcome bean destroyed. And in the XML configuration, we gave ID of welcome bean class, init method, destroy method also. Okay, property name equal to this. Okay, we can pass the property, I guess. Oh, but are we telling set name? Is it going to set name? Well, welcome message, but fine, let's see. Test class. Okay, class path resource, class path resource which was duplicated. XML Bean Factory, called this now system before. Okay, welcome bean, we typecasted welcome bean factory dot get bean, which is welcome bean. We gave ID as welcome bean and it should call this. Okay, which will goes to init first, right? Welcome bean is initialized and where are we giving welcome? Okay, again we call welcome messages, something we did. here bean dot welcome message we are calling. So first init should be called, then welcome message, welcome, and the name that is passed. So here we give property name value equal to geek, so it should take geek, welcome geek, mostly. Then factory.destroy singletons, automatically it should call destroy function, right? And destroy singletons is inbuilt, I guess. So yeah, before welcome is initial, welcome bean, destroyed. Yeah, that's what happened. The bean is not initialized at the startup. Okay, initialization happens only when the get bean is called. Oh, okay. Before get bean method, it's not initialized there. Of course. Until we did get bean, that didn't come. Only before get bean has came. Okay, this behavior is a lazy initialization. XML bean fact is deprecated and used for demonstration. Okay, fine. Bean auto-wiring in. Okay, functionalities. Use XML configuration, supports auto-wire, annotations. Is not enabled automatically. Auto-wire by name. Wait. I just want to go to application context at this point. Being post-process handling must be manually registered. Bean factory does not automatically detect post-process. Nothing is going into my brain. Bean initialization example. Yeah, this I saw. Bean is initialized only when this is called. Execution results. Fine. Please hope this is not important. Then application context. Finally, application context defined in org. Spring Framework.constant is an advanced container that extends Bean Factory and supports additional enterprise level features. Eager initialization. Okay, we saw lazy initialization there. Here is eager. Annotation based configuration, event handling, internationalization, and automatic post process registration. So we declare like this: application context and class path XML for XML configuration. But why isn't this is Spring core concepts? That's why they are not using Spring. Maybe when we start here, this auto configuration comes and this XML part will go. Hey, it's good only. Fine. Then eager initialization. Set name. Fine. The same hello bean, set name, hello message. Name plus name. Fine. Where is this? Insert this. Okay. Use int method this, destroy method this. Same, we give a property name and this. And we did test class and we use application context and we called get before and same we did. Let's see what happens. Oh, here hello bean is initialized first. So first before this okay, get bean, before calling get bean itself, we got the initialization thing. Nice. Takes the configuration file, then get bean, then we got hello bean initialized, then we got before get bean method, then we got hello geek destroy. Okay. This is lazy initialization and this is what was this? Eager initialization. Good. And class path contact was close. Okay, fine. Next functionalities. Bean auto wiring is in application context fully supports unout based auto wiring, supports auto wiring in setter and constructor. Bean post handling automatically detects the registers being post process, being factory post process. I don't know. Bean initialization only. Internationalization support. Extend message source, enabling internationalization support. String get message. String code this. Okay, somehow it supports in internationalization. I don't want to see differences, I already saw. Let's go. Skipping a lot, right? Hopefully they are not that important. Why there are so many? I want to go to Spring Boot already. Is this more deep or corporate level? We do everything different. We just take the CRUD operations, get, post, delete, put. That's all. Why these many pieces of bean cycle? Why? Okay, don't complain. Create the project. They have created a project also for this. Come on, now we've got this. Fast. How many else are there? Singleton prototype, we don't know. Custom scope, create a spring bean, string auto wiring, dispatcher sublet. We saw that, right? IOC container and manual gravel project. Okay, fine. Let's see. First, what is this about? Bean lifecycle describes the sequence of steps a bean goes through from creation to destruction in IOC container. Okay. Spring typically passes through the following phases: container initialization, the Spring IOC container is started, then bean instantiation, the container creates the instance of bean. IOC, this is started, instance of bean. Dependency injections are injected using constructor this. Then initialization callback, custom initialization logic is executed. Okay. Bean is ready for use. Okay, the bean is fully initialized and available for the use. Container shut down. The Spring container is closed. That's why they use close areas. Then clean up logic is executed by bean destructor. Oh, okay. First it is started, bean is initialized, container starts, bean is initialized, dependencies are injected, custom methods, suppose construct or custom init method. Then bean is ready. Bean is ready after initialization, dependency injection, and init, bean is ready. Then custom implemented, destroy. Ways to implement bean lifecycle in the process: XML, programmatic approach, interfaces, and annotations. Annotations are easier. Using XML, create project. I don't want to create. Then project structure, this one, add XML, add Spring dependency, Spring framework there is. If you use Spring Boot, it will be easier. Create the bean, init, destroy, then configure. Okay, bean you have configured hello world. Create driver class, client, configure method, configure passwords. Close. Run the application. What happened? Initialization happened, destroy happened. That's all. Using programmatic approach. Create again. God. Then you used again the dependency, Spring content. Then you used after property set throw exception. Okay. Destroy. Then hello world implements initialization bean and disposable bean. Oh, and you are overriding this properties. After properties runs automatically after bean creation. Destroys configuration setup, and we did bean. Hello. Created a driver, same, and called. Bean has been initialized, and I am in init method, and this is I am in destroy method. Okay, these two. Fine. Using annotations. Oh, these annotations. Post construct be destroy. Same, and we are calling Java X annotations. Okay, we're using Java X annotations. We called here, and post construct is annotation. Pre-destroy. After construct this we have to call, and before destroying this we have to call. Same, and we called it. Same happened. This is preferred murder. Of course, we need to implement Spring. Keeping that. I'm done with this. Next. Singleton prototype scope. I guess I should have just started with some Spring project, full stack project. Why all this? Singleton and prototype bean scopes in Java. Singleton scope. Create a single shared instance per container. All requests share the same object. Create a new instance for every request. Each request gets a separate object. Oh. Define how bean instances are created and managed. So how the bean is managed in this also, there are scopes also. So single shared or single shared instance per container. All requests are done to the same object. Here creates a, for every request it creates a new object. Got it. Singleton means only one instance that the container checks. Instance exists before creating a new one. By default, all Spring Beans are singletons unless explicitly defined otherwise. Let's understand. Okay, always it is singleton, but unless you specify it. Fine. Create a Maven project. Then just a second. Then add this. Just a second.